You have likely spent hours manually wiring different AI agents together, only to watch the entire pipeline break because a single node failed to route correctly. Instead of debugging all those endless connection lines, we are going to clear out that fragile setup entirely. We will replace it with Fugu, a pre-configured Japanese swarm model designed to distribute tasks natively without the manual plumbing. This is a chart showing the initial hard-coding test benchmarks for major models. The Fugu Ultra Swarm sits at the top with a 98.5% score, noticeably pulling ahead of established systems like GPT-4 and Claude 3. By the end of this workflow, you will have a localized system running on your machine. You will be able to type a single prompt and watch the swarm code, verify, and deploy a complete web application. Step 1 is ensuring you have the required files. Check your local downloads folder for the provided zip asset before we move forward. Right-click the downloaded file and extract it directly to your desktop. This folder contains the entire pre-configured AgentOS environment, allowing you to skip the standard command line installation completely. Next, we need to point your existing software to this new swarm. Fugu uses a standardized connection, so we can route it through the exact same fields you already use for other major API providers. Open your settings dashboard, locate the API base URL field, delete the default OpenAI address, and paste in the new Sakana Fugu endpoint. Because that single URL swap changes the underlying processing model, your current tools are immediately upgraded. You don't have to install any new third-party extensions to make this connection work. In a standard single model build, if the provider's server drops for even a second, you get a terminal full of routing errors and the entire job crashes. Fugu handles this internally. Go to the Model Routing menu and turn on Enable Dynamic Fallback. If the primary server times out, the swarm instantly reroutes the workload to secondary Asia-Pacific or European models without interrupting your generation. Even with that automated fallback active, you maintain absolute authority over which corporate models are permitted to participate in your local ecosystem. Open the Advanced Preferences modal and uncheck the box next to any provider you want to restrict. The swarm will immediately update its routing to exclude them from future tasks. With dynamic fallback enabled and your provider list locked in, your environment becomes a self-healing loop. Your workflows will complete successfully even if massive regional server outages occur. When it is time to generate, a vague command like build a website creates a messy, inefficient split across the model team. Instead, specify your exact target audience and define the code framework, like Tailwind CSS. Before you submit the prompt, open the Model Selection dropdown and switch to Fugu Ultra. This forces the system into its highest complexity tier. Expand the thought process log to watch the execution. You will see the swarm natively divide your single prompt, assigning isolated subtasks to a planner, a doer to compile code, and a checker to verify the work. One submodel structures HTML and CSS on the left, while another writes targeted sales copy for the UI on the right. Once compiled, click Deploy in the top right to publish to the live web. Mastering this pipeline from prompt to deployment eliminates the traditional delay of handing tasks back and forth between separate developers and copywriters. The swarm's processing capabilities scale beyond static pages. You can prompt Fugu to write and compile interactive browser games directly within the chat interface. It also processes dense mathematical equations. By defining your parameters in the sidebar, the system can write the rendering logic and execute a complex n-body physics simulation in seconds. To set this up on your own machine, navigate to the billing screen. Select a paid monthly subscription and click the Claim July Launch Deal button to get your second month entirely free.